So hello everyone, my name is Vriti Kumra. So today we are going to start with another video. So today we are going to do canvas, and today we are going to make invitations. So I will make two invitations. First of all, let us make an invitation for birthday party. I'll search here seventh birthday invitations, and like I want this one. So I'll just take this, and like I want to make for my sister, so I'll just change the name. I'll write Manat Kumra, and if I want to change the color of the text, then I'll just go here, and I want to give gray, and I want to make this bold, and I can if I want less size, so I'll just minus the size, and if I want more, then I'll just plus. Okay, so let us, and now I will change the address, date, and time. So first of all, I will write the date, 22 September 2021, and after that I'll write the time, like evening, and the address. If you want to change the image, you can change, or you if you want to delete, like I want to delete this, so I'll just delete. So let us make one more, and we'll make it for anniversary. Like I want to make for my mother and father anniversary. So let's find. We can take any of them. Like I will take this, and I want to change the text. I'll write here 12th anniversary. Here is, and I will just change the date, day, and month. Like this month, I will keep December. Date will be 9, and the day on which it's 9. Okay, let us check. Okay, so it's Thursday. So I'll just write here Thursday. Now I will just change the address. I'll write like Ludhiana, and my full address, and other things which I want to add. If I want to add some picture of my mom and father, then I'll just go on uploads, and will go on upload media, like I have told it yesterday. But I don't want to take an pick an image, so we'll leave it like this, and let us make one more for anniversary. Like here there is a picture, but I want to put a picture of my mother, father. Like I will put any of them now. Like I will go on upload media device, or I'll go on Facebook. But you have to connect your account, and if you want to upload it, then you have to sign in with your Google account, Facebook, Google Drive, or any of them. So like this, one I will take. I want to take this image and I'll put this here. So I'll delete this one. So I will delete this image. Oh, delete, and this one image I will put. So this is my mom dad image, and I'll just change the ears, and I'll write here 12 years, honoring of, like I will write my mother and father name, Vinny and Vikas, and I'll just enter, and I'll just give the day and month. Like the date is 12, month is, oh sorry, the date is 9, month is 12, and the year is 21. And I will write the time like 4 p.m. onwards. If you want to paste an image, then you have to take an template with a poster where there is an image, and I'll just change the address. Like I will give, you can write any of the thing of, like I am from Ludhiana, so I can write any of the mall of Ludhiana, and you can also write any of the thing, like if you are having the party at your home, so you can write the address of your home. But like I want to, like I write pavilion, pavilion Ludhiana. Like this, I have made 3 invitations. First for my sister, happy birthday one, and then 2 for my mother and father, anniversary one. You can take any of them. Like I have took this one. You can take any. If you want to wish your mother happy and birthday, or your father happy birthday, you can also take their images. Like I will take, let's make one more, and it will be for my mother and father's birthday. Like I will add page, and will take this template again, and I will go on upload. You can take any of the template which is having image, and you just have to drag your image where there is another person image. So let it be load. Actually it's taking time. Yeah, it's load. So took I will take this one for my mom, and I'll just drag and drop it here, and I'll just write the age of my mother, like she will be 39 this, oh, 37 this year, and I'll just write her name, oh, Vinny. Okay, like this. Or you can add and text happy birthday, like I'm making it for my mom. So I'll write happy birthday mom, and I'll put any of the address. Okay, so I hope you all will love this video, and if you like it, please subscribe subscribe my channel and like these videos. Thank you.